Maybe you want to learn English. Maybe you have a dream to speak English. Maybe you want to travel. Maybe you want to work. Maybe you want to meet new people. You want to watch movies. You want to understand songs. You want to open your world with English. But there is one problem. You feel lazy. You say, "Yes, I want to study, but not today. I will do it tomorrow." Then tomorrow comes, and again you say, "I will do it later." Slowly, many days pass. You still want to learn English, but you do nothing. If this is you, listen carefully. You are not alone. Many people feel like this. But today, I want to give you some energy. I want to remind you of something very important. You can learn English. You can do it. Even if you feel lazy, you can still start today. When we feel lazy, it is usually because English looks too big. You think, "Oh no, I must study grammar, vocabulary, listening, speaking, reading, and writing. This is too much. I cannot do it now." So you stop before you even start. You feel heavy. You feel tired. But the truth is very simple. You do not need to do everything in one day. You do not need to study for 3 hours every time. You only need a small step. Just 5 minutes. Just one word. Just one sentence. Even a little action is very powerful. Small actions grow into big results. If you take one step every day, soon you will be far on your journey. Now think about your life. Every day you do nothing, you lose time. Every day you say, "I will wait," your dream goes farther away. But when you take action, your dream comes closer. English is not only a language, it is an opportunity. With English, you can travel to many countries. With English, you can make friends from different parts of the world. With English, you can study more. You can work better. You can earn more money. Your world becomes bigger and brighter. But to open this big door, you must turn a small key. That small key is daily action. It does not matter if the step is small. What matters is that you move forward. So let me give you some easy ideas. Watch one short English video. Write one simple sentence in your notebook. Repeat one new word many times. Listen to an English song for 5 minutes. Read a short story. Practice one phrase like, "How are you?" or "Thank you very much." This is not difficult. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to do something. Small steps every day. Small steps create big change. When you do this slowly, laziness becomes smaller and motivation becomes bigger. Now close your eyes and imagine yourself 6 months later. Imagine you are speaking English better. You understand more. You can say what you want. You feel proud. You feel happy. You think, "Yes, I did it." This is possible for you, but only if you start now. Not tomorrow, not next week, not next month, now. The best time to start is always today. The best moment is this moment. Don't let laziness steal your dream. Don't let fear stop you. You are stronger than laziness. You are bigger than excuses. You can do it, step by step, day by day. So, my friend, please take action today. Say one English word right now. Write one English sentence right now. Watch one English lesson right now. Do not wait. Waiting does nothing. Action does everything. If this video gives you power, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy English lessons. We will walk together step by step, day by day, slowly but surely. And remember, I believe in you.